Hello, first graders. The first thing you do is always the same. Pick up your pencil and write your name right there. All right, problem number 1. It says match each set of partners to a total. So here are your partners and match them to one of these totals. So 6 plus 2 equals one of these numbers over here. Write the answer on the line and draw a line from this to the partner that it, or to the total that it matches. All right, 9 take away 3 equals which one of these numbers matches here? Draw a line to it. Three plus 7 equals one of these partners here. Draw a line to it. Write the answer on this line. 8 minus 3 equals one of these answers over here. Draw a line to it. Write the answer on the line. If you need a few more minutes or a little bit more time, please press pause and press play when you're ready to begin again. All right, this says make 3 different math mountains with a total of 6. So you're at math mountain number 6. Come up with 3 different partners that make 6. Go ahead and pause to solve this. Problem number 5, it says count on to solve. There are 8 rakes total. How many rakes are in the shed? All right, so we see 2 in the shed. We're going to count on from 2 to 8 to figure out how many are hidden in here. Write the number here, and the label is rakes. Rakes. You have it right there. So count on from 2 to 8. How many are hidden in here? And the label is rakes. That would get written right here. Go ahead, pause to solve. All right, on the back side of this paper, so this says 147 or problem 5. You're going to flip it over. On the back side of this paper is going to be problem 6. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to read you the story problem. As I'm reading it, start setting up your equation. Think about what you know, what you don't know, what kind of operation it is, and what they're asking you to find out. So Maisie has 5 balloons. She gets some more balloons. Now she has 9 balloons. How many balloons does Maisie get? So set up your equation over here. Okay, I'm going to read that again. Maisie has 5 balloons. She gets some more balloons. Now she has 9 balloons. How many balloons does Maisie get? I'll read it one last time. Maisie has 5 balloons. She gets some more balloons. Now she has 9 balloons. How many balloons does Maisie get? Set up your equation and solve for the unknown. Write the number here. Your label is balloon. So your label is balloon. So you write that right here. Pause if you need more time. Problem number 7. Okay, get your listening ears on. Han picks 5 apples. Then he picks 3 more. How many apples does Han pick? All right, I'll read it again. Han picks 5 apples. Then he picks 3 more. How many apples does Han pick? Think about your equation that you're going to set up. What is it asking you to do? Are we adding? Are we subtracting? What's the unknown? One more time. Han picks 5 apples. Then he picks 3 more. How many apples does Han pick? Write the number here, and the label on this line, the label is apple. Pause if you need more time. All right, this is the name of one of my students in my class. Number 8, Avery has 7 baseballs. Then he gets some more. Now Avery has 10 baseballs. How many baseballs does he get? All right, listen again. Avery has 7 baseballs. Then he gets some more. Now Avery has 10 baseballs. How many baseballs does he get? Think about the operation. What words help you understand what you're doing? What is it that you don't know? What's your unknown? Last read. Avery has 7 baseballs. Then he gets some more. Now Avery has 10 baseballs. How many baseballs does he get? Pause if you need more time to solve this problem. By the way, ball is your label. Press play when you are ready to continue. This one says complete the equations. Use the number on these tiles. So you can only use one of these numbers, 6, 5, 4, or 8. 10 minus one of these numbers equals 2. 4 plus one of these numbers equals 8. 3 plus one of these numbers equals 9. 8 minus one of these numbers equals 3. Using only these 4 numbers, once you've used one, you can't use it again to fill in the missing boxes or the missing partners or totals or partners. Go ahead and pause if you need some more time to solve this. All right, we'll be moving on to problem number 13. It says, ring the number that makes the sentence true. Leela has 10 books. She gives 4 books away. Now Leela has 4, 6, or 10 books left. All right, Leela has 10 books. She gives 4 books away. Now Leela has how many books left? 4, 6, or 10? Circle the number that makes sense. When you are done, or if you need more time, pause, and when you're done, continue on. All right, our last problem, I believe. Oh, nope, never mind. I'm wrong. Sorry. It says, use this picture to write a story problem, write and solve the equation. All right, so here's your story problem, or here's your picture. Write a story on these lines to write a story about this picture. Okay, and then make an equation and solve it. If you need help with this one, please raise your hand. Pause to solve. Oh, sorry. Here's where the equation goes, by the way. Again, if you need help with this one, please raise your hand. And we're going on to problem number 15. Sure, and then we're done. Yep, so this is our last page. Problem number 15. Marty sees 8 birds at a feeder. There are red birds and blue birds. How many of each color bird can Marty see? Show 3 correct answers. Okay, so all this is, first graders, is set up a math mountain. 8's at the top. How many do you want to tumble that way? That's going to be the number of red. How many do you want to tumble that way? That will be the number of blue. So different, but just all this is different partners that go together to make 8. So partner here, new partner here, new partner here, partner here, partner here. If this is confusing to you, please raise your hand. Pause to solve. All right, our last and final problem. It says, read the story. Write a subtraction and an addition equation for the story and a math mountain to match. Wow, so you have 3 things you need to do here, first graders. You need a subtraction equation, an addition equation, and a math mountain. Okay, you might want to start off with your math mountain first so that it can help you come up with the 2 equations that you need. There are 7 leaves on the branch. Then 3 leaves fall off. How many leaves are on the branch now? All right, there are 7 leaves on the branch. Then 3 fall off. How many leaves are on the branch now? You need a math mountain, addition equation, and a subtraction equation to complete this problem. 3 things you need: math mountain, addition equation, subtraction equation. Again, I'll read it one more time. There are 7 leaves on the branch. Then 3 leaves fall off. How many leaves are on the branch now? Mountain, addition, and subtraction. Go ahead, pause to solve. Press play when you're ready to begin. Okay, first graders, so what we've been you are finished with the Unit 3 test. What I'd like for you to do is to please put the test at the end of your desk or leave your test on your desk. And if you have time, you may go on to one of our classroom apps. Lalilo, Freckle, eSpark, Splash Learn, Epic, Kids A to Z, Prodigy, IXL, ABC Mouse. Those are the only things that you may go on. Please remain quiet at your desk with your headphones on. I will come to collect your test when you are done. Great work.